Okay, walk out. Did you just bring her from the arena, Sydney?
Yep.
How old are you?
8.
8 years old? You're almost the same age as Star. She's 6 or 7. What did you do on Star today?
I trotted and walked.
You walked and trotted? And how was she for you?
And my sister, she trotted, walked, and galloped.
She did? Sydney galloped? Or Tori galloped? What do you think? How's her trot? How's Star's trot?
And Tori did the barrels.
And she did the barrel pattern, huh? Cool. How was Star's trot? What do you think?
It was nice and smooth.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Here's the other little rider. So how was your ride on Star?
Good.
What did she do?
She's a pretty good girl. She doesn't really give any fuss about anything.
Did she walk, trot, and gallop when you asked her to?
Yeah.
How did you think it was? Smooth, rocky, rough?
It was pretty smooth.
Pretty nice?
Yeah.
Okay, anything else you want to say about her?
She'll let you do tricks, and she's just a kid's horse.
She likes kids? Okay.
She's almost like a pony. She's almost like same hands as a pony.
Yeah, about 14.2 hands. A little bit, maybe not quite 14.3. She's a good little girl. Okay. Cindy, why don't you start untacking her for me? Can you get that?
Nope.
Okay, want some help? You want to hold the camera real quick?
That's the one that's my mom.
Okay. Go finish. Thanks for untacking Marley, Tori. Oh, there's Jet peeking his head over. Seeing what everybody's doing. Can you pull that off by yourself?
Yep. Oh, I already gave the grade. This is Marley.
Bye, Marley. Alright, go take that to the tack room.
Not the blanket.
Good job, Star. Good
Not
job.
the blanket.